another video. Today I am going to be getting ready for Valentine's weekend. I plan to do my hair, my lashes, my nails, and my eyebrows, but there's one problem. Money. I am kind of a broke college student. That stuff is real. And I don't have the money to do all of those things. So what I plan to do is I'm going to do one of those things professionally, like maybe get my hair done because I want to cut my hair too, and then I'll like DIY the rest, take you guys along with me and show you guys how you can glow up on a budget and look super cute for Valentine's. So let's get started. Guys, I just scheduled my hair appointment. It's actually in 40 minutes and I'm so excited. I haven't done my hair in so long. Let's go get my hair done. Last time I went to this hair salon, well, I've only been once because I don't really go to the hair salon often. But I did get my hair like straightened and curled once and they are the sweetest people ever. I'm really excited to go back and it's actually pretty cheap here. Like, not here in general in California, it's freaking expensive here. But what I was saying, in this salon that I'm gonna go to, it's super cheap compared to other places. Like, I called this one. Hey guys! Hi! That was sweet. I just saw my friends and they were like all grouped up after lunch. That was cute. But as I was saying, because this little girl fell, that is definitely a budget-friendly spot. Here's the hair. It's so much shorter, OMG. It was a total of $33.35 including the tip. I love it, and she even like touched up my little bangs or like, you know, face framers that I did myself, which I didn't know what I was doing. But one thing down, 3 to go. I do want to do my lashes and eyebrows tomorrow, like right before we go to the first Valentine's. Good morning guys, it's the next day. My hair is still looking really good. I love it. I was going to actually straighten my own hair and I was gonna like save money without them styling it, but I think my hair looks super good today. I don't know what this lady did, but my curls look so curly. Like my friend yesterday thought I actually curled my hair. I'm gonna keep my hair the way it is, and next thing I'm gonna do is my nails. So I have had this nail set for a couple of years. I'm gonna try these on, and then later on I'm gonna do my makeup. I wanna like do some good skincare in the morning, and then later before I leave, put on my makeup so that, you know, the makeup sticks on well. For my lashes, I got these yesterday. They were $4, but there was a coupon, so they were actually $3. I've never done it on myself, so we'll see how that goes. these are the eyebrows. They are 10 times better when I actually get them done, but they look pretty good for, you know, being at home. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and then when it's time to do my eyelashes, I'll show you guys putting them on. I have some stuff that my friend gave me of hers, and then we're gonna put these on and hope that I do it right and that they stay on. Does this look good? What do we think? I can't tell. I feel like it's not on right. Is it on right? Okay, you know what? I have another event tomorrow, so we're gonna try the lashes tomorrow because I am out of time. Okay, so I put some perfume on, I put my lip liner, I'm about to put my lip gloss, but I am running late, so I'm gonna go and give you footage of the Valentines, and we'll talk tomorrow. Hey guys, it is post Valentine's, super fun. I definitely went right into my pajamas, but I wanted to show you the bouquet I made. This is the final product. It looks so cute and perfect for Valentine's Day.